everyone. Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Brian in Kentucky on this Galaxy 99B. Brian, we got it ready to go. As you can see, it's on frequency. No issues there. We also went in and put your new SO239 on there. It's seen its better days. Did a tune and alignment. Brand new meter, new light. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. Half a watt of carrier. Roll it up. 5 watts all the way up. 100-watt slug, average power. Hello. 14 bird. Peak power. Hello. 34 peak. Alright, Brian is ready to come back to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.